Hello guys, so today we're going to be doing the longest palindromic substring on LeetCode, which is question 5. So, the question is given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. So, palindromic substring is a string that is returned the same in reverse as it's in its normal order. So, for example, ABA will be returned ABA. So, that in reverse will be that. That's the longest palindromic substring. And an example of this is example 1. S is equal to BABAD, output is BAB, explanation ABA is also a valid answer. Okay, example 2, input S is equal to CBBD, the output is BB, so long palindromic substring is BB. You can see all of these are reversible and output in the same word. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is by you have to check even and odd strings. So by checking odd strings, let's go for the function first. The function pretty much checks that the letter that we currently are checking are inbound, so they have to be smaller than the length of the word and bigger than or equal to 0. If they are not, then we break. Otherwise, we check that the letters beside are the same, and so we proceed. So for example, let's say the word is BABAD, just as an example. Check the left, we check the odd and even value. So if they're odd, we put in the for loop, we put I as the same value. So for example, we'll check, let's say I is equal to 1. Let's put here I is equal to 1. Now, no, sorry, not 1, I is equal to 0. Then we get B. Now, B is bigger than 0, it's bigger than or equal to 0. And this, so we take the left and right value, represent the values, the index values of the string. So left is 0, right is 0, and now checking the odd string. So they're both bigger than or equal to 0, smaller substring, smaller than the length. So we currently have the current longest value, that's B. Now we go to A is bigger than 0. And this, so left is bigger than 0, and right is smaller than the length, which is A right now. Now we'll check the letters beside A, which are B and B, they match, so we know it's palindromic, so we make that the longest one. We'll check the letters beside B's. The letter beside B is out of bounds, the first B is smaller than 0, now, so that we know for a fact that won't get matched. So we break. Now we go to, so that was I1. Now we go to I is equal to 2, which is B. Okay. Now, that again is bigger than 0 and it's smaller than the length. And we check the letters beside it, which are both A, so we proceed. Now again, it's a palindrome substring, but it's the same length as bound, so we don't have to really replace it. Then we check the strings with the letters beside A's, and they don't match because it's B and D, so proceed. Now we go to I is 3. That's 3. We get A. We check the letters beside A, they don't match, and A is in bounds, but A weight don't match, so we break. We go to I is 4. Left and right are inbound, because we're both I. 4 is in bounds. The letters beside D do not match, so we return BAB as a substring. Now if we were to do it for odd value, we would BAB here, BABAD, we would put I, so when I is 0, put the left value of I here, and the right value is I plus 1 to BA. And then we check the left and right values. B is out of bounds, the left value, and the right value of right A is out of bounds, and that's not substring, so the current value is just still an empty string. Then we do the same for A and B. For A and B, B and A don't match, so it's not a substring. We continue. Now we'll do, so that was I is 1, now we'll do I is 2. So left is 2, which is B. Right is A, which plus 1, which is A. Now it's A, so it will be A. Left is A, right is D. Again, not palindromic substring. So we proceed. Now I is 3. Now, so because 3 will be, left will be A, right will be D. And A, D is not substring anyway, but let's proceed. So it is B on the left, is a letter on the right, empty string. There's nothing there, it's outbound, so again, not substring. And finally, go to the last letter, which is D. Again, right is D plus 1, which is 5, which is outbound, so it's not substring. So then we return the longest between A and B, which would be left and right, which would be B. And let me call it up. Okay. So yeah, variable, so the longest. Then write a function to do the searching. Let's call it check. We take the string, take the left value and the right value. Then we do a while loop. So while left is bigger than or equal to 0, check the bounds, and while right is smaller than the string dot length, and while string left is equal to string right. Then we execute left minus. We decrement 1 left. We'll check. We'll do the same for right. We'll check that those are the same. We keep iterating until they are the same. Then this will break when they're not. So then we'll return the longest substring, which will be string dot slash left plus 1 and right. This is because if it is the same, we decrement 1 again left. So it will not be a palindrome, so we have to plus 1. Then we do a for loop. 0 plus, and we get the old value, which again, as I said, is the left value will be I, right value will be I, so we start from the same search point, left and right are the same, and then we do the even. Now the right value is I plus 1, because we're assuming that the 2 letters in the middle are the same. And then we get the longest, which we set the longest as odd dot length is bigger than even dot length. Then we set it as odd, else as even. And then if long dot length longer than longest dot length, we set longest as long. Then we return longest. That's wrong. You check. Oh, I don't want to put a while in. That's wrong. Check this. Oh, sorry for comma. Oh shit, pass. Hopefully there's no errors. Perfect. Let's submit. This, by the way, is time complexity of OM of M, because it's looking through the whole array here, and then we're just doing a while loop here. So OM of N. As you can see, time complexity is the fastest you can do. And same space complexity is O1 or the only stored the longest. Thank you for watching.